Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us see how to prepare mudakattan or balloon wine dosa. This is the balloon wine. This has so many regional names: mudakattan kirai, agni bali, kanpata, buddha kakara. Whatsoever the name is, this leaf is popularly known for curing joint pains. You can cook the fresh leaves or you can dry the leaves, powder it and use it. It not only treats joint pain, it reduces fever, cold, ear pain, menstrual cramps and even general tiredness. Coming to the recipe, you need 1 cup of parboiled rice. To this add a quarter cup of urud dal, that is split black gram, and 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, that is methi. Now clean this with water. Drain the water, add some water again. Now let this sit for 2 or 3 hours. After 2 hours, add this into the mixie jar without water. The leftover water should be used for grinding. You have to adjust the water according to the consistency. For a cup of rice, you can add a handful of the balloon wine leaves. Let us grind this into a fine paste. The batter is ready. Transfer this into another bowl. Add the required amount of salt and give a nice mix. This batter needs to be fermented. So I'm going to leave this for another 8 to 10 hours for the fermentation process. This is after 10 hours. This is perfect. Give a nice mix. The consistency has to be like this. If you find it thick, you can always add some water and adjust the batter according to the consistency. The batter is ready. Now let us spread this on the tawa. Make sure the tawa is hot. Sprinkle some oil. Turn both sides and cook properly. So here the very healthy mudakattan dosa is ready. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.